Good morning, girls.
Good morning, Mommy.
How are you doing today?
Good.
Good. Who's that laying next to you, Emma Kate?
Harper.
Harper. What do we call her?
Harper Harper.
Harper Warper. Do you know her middle name?
Catherine.
No, that's your middle name. What's her middle name?
What's your name?
My name's Catherine. Oh, Harper's looking at you. Can you show me how you...
What's he doing that?
I don't know. Can you show me how you hug her? Oh. Hey, Harper girl.
Oh, look at me. Oh, she let me.
She licked you? Oh my goodness. She's terrible. No, she's not terrible.
Hey, Harper. Hey. Hey, Miss Harper.
Hey, Harper. Harper, can you give us a smile? Hey, Harps. Hey, girl.
Can I put that with you?
Hey, Harper.
Can I show?
Sure.
Can I show
You wanna
that?
hold it?
There's Harper.
There she is. Harper.
And that's it over too.
That's the oval. Yep. Harper, can you give us a little smile? Can you give us a little smile? Me. All right, say we love you.
Bye-bye.
Can you say bye-bye to the camera too?
Bye-bye.
I love you, Emma Kate.
Can I turn it off?
Sure. Hit that button right there.